how are you? I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. So I am super excited. Stay tuned. Later this week we are going to have a new giveaway going up. I cannot wait. I'm super excited. I'm not going to go into details, but it's going to be awesome. You guys, I know will love it. So definitely stay tuned for that. Again, welcome. I do truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your support. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts, how your day is going, all of that. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. As you can see from the description, today we are unboxing the June 2019 GlossyBox. So GlossyBox is $21 a month, and you receive about 5, maybe sometimes 6 products, and they can be deluxe size, full size. So let's get in here and see. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. There usually is some kind of promotion going on where you can get, a certain amount off your first box, or I actually found and signed up for 3 months because it was a special at the time that if you purchased a 3-month subscription, you got 1 month free. So I only paid for 2 months and got 3. So this is my 2nd month. Now last month for May, I definitely think they did step their game up because I had received GlossyBox in the past and canceled because I wasn't too happy with it. But last month I was very, very pleasantly surprised. So let's see if they continued that trend for June 2019 and unbox it. So I think their presentation is super cute. The pink box, this little black ribbon. This is what the inside of like the lid looks like. I do think the box is super cute, but what's inside the box is really what matters. So we will untie our little ribbon, and we have our information sheet here. It will tell us all about the products and goodies inside. And then here you see we have the little sticker as usual with subscription boxes and tissue paper. So we peel that back, and this is what we see when we open it. So we are going to set this right here, and we're gonna look at our little pamphlet. All right, so it says, "Cheers, Glossies. Now that summer is in full swing, it seems like your schedule is getting packed with weddings, brunches, bridal showers, and everything in between. Luckily, we've put you on the ultimate guest list in June's GlossyBox, so you can RSVP for any occasion. With all the gift giving, attending, and prepping, it's easy to forget your own needs during this time of milestones. With 7 products meant to help you look your best, you can be ready for the special day, whether you're the guest, the bridesmaid, or the bride herself. We hope you enjoy glowing skin with our cleansing foam." We're not going to get into that because that talks more about the products. "Remember to pamper yourself during your special day." So, and then when you open it, this is where we see our products. And I do like that they do give you the pricing for your items. And I think last month we got 7 items, so maybe it is 5 to 7 items. Or it may be 7 every month. I honestly am not sure. But I digress. We are going to get to unboxing. So the first thing that caught my eye was this little guy. And this is from Invisibobble. We've been getting quite a few products from that company lately, but this I have not seen. It says waiver, no metal, no traces, that's simple. High wearing comfort, traceless, secure closure, hair loving. So this is what it looks like. So it almost, to me, is kind of like a bobby pin. It is clear, as you can see right there. Invisibobble. The full size would have 3, which is at a value of 7. So this is not full size because there is only 1. Perfect for hairstyling, updos, or just holding your hair in place while you do your makeup. This game-changing, non-cripping bobby pin alternative is going to be your new best friend from hair revolutionary Invisibobble. With its 3D helix shape, side lock technology, and strong hold, your hair will thank you with no dents, bends, or flyaways. Okay. I do like the Invisibobble hair ties. So, I mean, this would be, something good to try, to kind of clip your hair out of your way. So, okay. All right. And then next we have from Emma Hardy, a purifying pink clay detox mask. Right here. Deep cleanses, purifies, and balances the skin, refines the pores, and gently exfoliates, immediately reduces high color and redness, improves moisture levels in skin. So again, right there. And that is from Emma Hardy. This clay mask glides over the skin to gently exfoliate away impurities with moringa oil and Australian pink clay, while also providing deep hydration. The end result, clear, radiant, glowing skin. And it says that the full size, which would be 50 mLs, is $54. So this is 15 mLs. So this is obviously not the full size. So probably still a good value if 50 mLs is $54. This is 15. So this is probably worth about $15. 50 mLs, $54, 15 mLs, about $15. So it's still a good value. I probably will put this to the side for a giveaway because I have like the Generation Clay. So I don't need too many pink Australian clay masks. So I'll set this to the side for one of you guys to try. Okay, and next, what do we have here? This is from Sleek Makeup. This is an eyeshadow palette, mineral-based eyeshadow. Sun is Shining. Trying to see. This is what the outer packaging looks like. Create a variety of stunning looks with these 12 shades of mineral-based, highly pigmented shadows. Sun is Shining features an array of back-to-basic soft nudes, subtle golds, and warm peach shades, perfect for chic daytime looks. Includes matte shades, ideal for perfecting a subtle smoky eye effect. I don't want to open this. So it looks like there's 12 shades in here from the cover. And I have so many neutral palettes. I don't want to open this because this I would probably put into a giveaway, and the box is sealed. So I'm going to leave it sealed, but if you see there, you can see the neutrals that they're talking about. And I am seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmery type shades, like here, here, and here. So if you kind of see, you can see what I'm talking about there with the shimmers. And then so the others are mattes. So I think this would be a really good neutral palette. So I am going to put this aside for a giveaway, but let's see here what it says. The full size, this obviously is full size. It's valued at $11.99. Other than good luck for the wedding day weather, think sunny, get sunny. This palette of nudes, golds, and shimmers is perfect for daytime wear with its mineral-based, highly pigmented eyeshadows that shine equally on all skin tones. So, yeah, I will be putting this to the side for a giveaway. So one of you guys will get to try this as well. All right, and then, it looks like we have, is this 2 things? So we have 2, oh, but they're different. Okay. Unwind by Hask. So we have 2. These are both valued at $4. So one of them says Provence Rosé inspired. Color, protect, and revitalize deep conditioner infused with wine, rose, and watermelon extracts to help revitalize and retain color-treated hair. It is free of sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors. It says, Rosé your way to healthy looking, gorgeous hair with this Provence Rosé inspired deep conditioner. The wine extract is packed with antioxidants to help rejuvenate, soften, and strengthen. Resveratrol, found in the skin of grapes, helps protect and restore hair. Grapeseed oil, rich in vitamin E, helps smooth hair cuticles and prevent frizz. Rose extract helps to deliver hydration, and watermelon extracts helps hair maintain vibrancy. So it says, after shampooing, apply to wet hair and leave on for up to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Use 1 to 2 times a week. So this is, again, valued at $4. And for my hair, I could probably definitely get 2 uses out of this. So I love doing hair masks like this or deep conditioning treatments at least once or twice a week. So I'm excited about this. And then we do have another one, the Brut Rosé. Color, protect, and hydrate, deep condition, infused with wine, rose, and strawberry extracts to help protect and maintain color. Again, free of sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors. Say hooray for Rosé with this Brut Rosé inspired deep conditioner for color treated strands. Everything is the same except instead of the watermelon, this has strawberry, which says it helps to condition and protect. And again, up to 5 minutes, 1 to 2 times a week. So again, 2 uses. So if I did this twice a week, I have 2 weeks worth right here between the 2 of them. So I am actually very happy about these guys. And then let's see, we still have 2 items. We have this right here from oh goodness, Vicks. I probably butchered that all around. Oh wow, okay, so this is 30 mLs, which is the size, and this is its value. The value is $30. So here is the packaging. And this is a cleansing foam. From the curated waters of Budapest, all Vicks products have a blend of Hungary's mineral-rich springs in their patented healing concentrate delivery system. This cleansing foam is combined with the finest essential oils, vitamins, and other natural ingredients sourced from across the globe, from the bed of Lake Hevez, I'm not sure, to the peak of the Andes Mountains. Remember to cleanse in small upwards circles for roughly 20 to 30 seconds. Any longer can lead to skin irritation. So that is awesome. And it's a decent size, but $30, I certainly hope it does wonders. So we have that guy. And then our final product is a nail polish, and it is actually a pretty color. This is from Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Lacquer. Obviously, it is a full size, and it is a $9.50 value. It does say that the colors may vary, so not everyone is going to get the same color. I got Lux Be a Lady right here, which is kind of like this pinky, that time I washed it out. This like pinky nude. It is a really pretty color. We're so happy to have the creme de la creme of nail lacquer, Morgan Taylor, as our go-to for the perfect manicure. With a nice creamy texture and a full brush, you only need 2 coats and a clear swipe for the finishing touch to any event. We suggest 2 thin coats of polish instead of 1 thick coat. This minimizes drying time and creates a seamless professional look. And you can purchase this at Ulta. So again, the colors would vary. This is the color I got, and I do think it is very pretty. But again, I'm gonna set this to the side because not that you can tell right now, do typically go to the salon and get like a gel manicure, which I desperately need to do. So this will be going to one of you guys as well in a future giveaway. So that was our Glossy box for June 2019. I do think this was a good box. Do I think it was as good as last month? Probably not, but I do still think it is better than it was back in the fall when I was getting it before. So I'm happy with this box. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get this box? What did you think of this month? Like I said, I love hearing from you guys. So let me know down below. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.